Let's learn how to register for an event on the library website. Visit wblib.org. You can see upcoming events by clicking on the calendar button, or find events of interest to a particular age group by clicking on the youth, teens, or adults pages. You'll see upcoming events starting with the month you're in. You can toggle between months using the arrow keys, or by clicking on the month heading. Scroll down on the page to view more events on a calendar view. You can also click on Upcoming to see a list view of upcoming events. You can use filters if you'd like to limit what you see on the calendar. You can filter by age group to only see programs of interest to children or teens within specific age or grade ranges. Note that some programs may be further limited to select ages within that range. For example, if you select grades 3 through 5, you may see events limited to grade 3, as well as programs limited to grades 5 and up, and so on. These filters help you limit the amount of results you see on a page, but you still need to read the description to see what ages youth, teen, or family events are intended for. You can also filter by library branch to view only programs that are at the main library or West Acres branch. Online and off-site events are also listed on this calendar. If you've opted to select filters, click on Apply to apply your selection. You can also click on the Print button to print off a list of upcoming events that fit your filter limitations. Looking at the calendar, you'll notice a few things. Events are color-coded to correspond with age groups. Some events have a little pencil icon at the bottom. This indicates that the event requires registration. When registration is open, usually a month in advance, you'll see text that says, Registration Open. You can see more event details by hovering over an event. To view full event details or register, click on the blue event title. The full event details are split into 3 columns. In the first column, we see the location, date, and time of the event, as well as a photo if one is available. In the second column, we see buttons at the top. Click on the calendar icon to add the event to your device's calendar. Click on the printer icon to print this event. Click on the arrow icon to share this event. Some events also have a clock icon. You can click on the clock icon and type in your email address when prompted to receive email reminders about an event. Below the buttons are the program type and age group tags. These reflect the same tags you saw on the filter tool. The age group for an event may be limited to select ages within the tagged age range. Some events will have registration information highlighted in a blue box. This includes registration start and end dates, whether a library card is required to register, and the number of spaces remaining in an event. Some events may be limited to patrons of a certain age or grades, which will be mentioned here as well as in the event details. The event details include a description of the event, as well as the intended age or grade range for the event. This is the best place to look if you'd like to confirm whether your child may be a good fit for a youth or teen program. Below the event details are disclaimers, if applicable. On the final column, you'll see a Google map of the event location. Usually this is our main library or West Acres branch, but sometimes an event will be held at an off-site location, which will be noted here. Contact information for the event is listed below the location information. Check for a pending waitlist disclaimer. Although this event states that a residential or student West Bloomfield library card is required, it also has a pending waitlist option. This means individuals without a residential or student West Bloomfield library card can register for the program to be placed on a waitlist. Priority is given to residential and student card holders, but if space remains for the event 72 hours before it begins, people on the waitlist will be moved automatically to the registrant list on a first-come, first-served basis. They will receive an email notification informing them of the change in status. Since this event has a pending waitlist, it asks whether you have a library card. If you answer yes, you will be prompted to enter your library card number. If you answer no, you can complete the rest of the form to join the pending waitlist. Required fields are indicated with a red asterisk. Some events require additional fields, such as your child's grade or age. Some events do not offer pending waitlists. This event, for example, is just limited to residential or student card holders. Enter your residential or student library card number and last name. If what you enter matches with what we have in our system, your contact information will automatically appear to save you time. Some events require registration, but do not require a library card, such as with this event. Events with the blue Add Another button allow you to register multiple individuals for an event at one time. Once you've registered for an event, you will receive a notification to the email you used to register. This email will include a cancellation link. Please cancel your registration if you're no longer able to attend an event. If you have registered multiple individuals at once, you'll receive a separate cancellation link for each individual. You will also receive a reminder email. Usually, these are sent out 24 hours before an event. You can also register by talking with library staff. We look forward to seeing you at upcoming library events.